Right, today I'm going to teach you how to use Google Translate to actually learn a language, right? Now, Google Translate is not very good at Chinese. Right, so here's one that's actually not that good, but I can use it anyway. Japanese is another one where it kind of makes mistakes, and the language, it's what it translates to, it kind of gets it wrong. There's been it's quite well known actually. So what I'm going to do is, English to Chinese, right? And I'm going to start with a simple example because it's always good to do simple, isn't it? Just like me. So hello. Okay, so hello. This actually I did earlier, and this is the second time I've done this video because the first one, never mind. So you can see I've got hello, okay. And if I touch it, I think there, then you can see it kind of puts more on the screen. Now the reason why that's important is because if you press it, I'll try and do it live. If you press it here, you see it pops up a menu and that says reverse translate. And so you can select reverse translate. So if I press this and then do reverse translate, you can see how it switches it. So what's in the Chinese actually now appears in the English. So what I'm doing there basically is verifying that the Chinese back translates to the English. But then there's something else you can do here, which is cool. Now you can see there's a little speaker button. If you press it,
你好.
你好. Now I've had to go, there's a previous iteration of this video which went wrong, unfortunately. So I've already practiced this. So just so that we can actually make it, let's do a new translation and do goodbye. So there's goodbye, right? Do the translation, but you can see how it says goodbye, and then presumably that's a translation. So I'll do my trick where I do that and then reverse translate, and now you can see that it says the Chinese, and the Chinese says in English goodbye. Okay, so now we'll play that.
再见.
再见. I haven't said that before. That's the first time I've ever said that. Okay, so let's try and practice it a bit.
再见. 再见. 再见.
再见.
再见.
再见.
再见.
再见. 再见. Now I know the intonation sometimes doesn't work. Things they have different sounds. You just say them differently. Like I think the last part is more nasal. It's not 再见. It's 再见 like that, and it means something else.
再见. 再见. 再见.
再见. Right? I think I've got it. So now what I can do now is do new translation. Okay. And then you got your microphone button, which is about here somewhere, and I can press that now, okay, and it will record me saying it. 再见. See? It recorded me saying that, and it's translated it to goodbye. So I verified that what I said probably makes sense to a Chinese person because Google Translate can pick it up. And if this machine can pick it up, then presumably that will make sense to a Chinese person. Now, a Chinese person would understand that, no doubt, because I'm an English person, and if somebody speaks English to me, but they don't get the intonation right and their accent is funny, and so I can make sense of it because I understand the English. I'm a native English person, and so I've been listening to this for my whole life. And so if somebody makes a bit of a mistake and a bit of a hash of it, I can try and make sense of it. So it gives you the point to which you can